I'm going to show you in this video how to create a search in Search Builder and save it so that you can run it each time you need to upload a file for your mailed envelope sets. I'll go to the header and select Search, and under Search Builder select New Search. This will take me all the way into the conditions. The first condition that I want relates to envelope options, so if I start typing envelope, it brings that up right here. I select it. And for the code, I want joint. I just want those that are getting joint envelopes right now. Click Save. The search is running automatically because auto refresh is selected. I have the top condition set to all, match all. Notice you have the options there. Now I'm going to add another group below that. Click the green group button that has the plus in front of it. It will also take you into the conditions. And for this condition, I want to change categories and go to address and select resident code equals unable to locate. Now let me explain that. I'm going to want to exclude these 10 people that have their primary resident code set as unable to locate, but they still have joint envelopes set. I'm going to change the match any to match none. Now it's going to exclude any conditions that I put in this second group. So I want to add some more conditions. Under address, I want to look at the street address, and I'm going to leave it blank. So equals and then blank in the text value. This will eliminate those that don't have a street address. They might have a city or state, but they don't have a street address. Now I'm going to select another condition. This time I want the bad address flag set to true. This will eliminate those that have their address flag set to as a bad address. I'm going to add one more condition, and under the categories it's under contact info, and I want do not mail. Those that have a flag set to do not mail, I want to exclude. So here's my search. I have 1,481 people. Their envelope option is set to joint, and we are excluding all of those that have bad addresses or they say do not mail. Now you want to save it. Save it as envelope sets. Now I'm only going to save one search, and I'll show you why. Right now, it's looking at those that get joint envelopes. I'm going to go to the cloud under the toolbar, and under the Excel export section, I'm going to select mailing bulk. This is going to give me a CSV file, and then I want to address it to couples. And I can do couples either or couples both. It will address it to the couples. If you select both, it only addresses it to Mr. and Mrs. if they are both in the search. If I select either, it will address Mr. and Mrs. regardless of whether the other person is in the search or not. So you can select whichever one you want. You can use titles so that it puts Mr. and Mrs. rather than John and Mary, and then click OK. That's going to give you your CSV file. You save it as CSV and then upload it or email it to your service provider. Next, you're going to come along and change the top condition from joint to individual. Click Save. It's going to automatically run. Under the cloud, you select the same mailing or bulk export, and this time individuals if you want to use titles, and click OK, and you're done. And then you can do with your file whatever your envelope service asks you to do. Most of them will have you upload it, so you just save it as CSV, upload it, and you're done. So you save one file and use it 2 times. So that's how simple it is to create that file and save it, or that search rather, and save it.